Welcome to the ZyLab eDiscovery Legal Review Search Series, Advanced Wildcard Search. Wildcards are used to replace or represent one or more characters in a term, making the search query more flexible and efficient. The question mark represents one character, whereas the asterisk replaces 0 or more characters. Additionally, specific characters or character ranges can be searched. The asterisk matches 0 or more characters. This wildcard is useful when you have a general idea of what you are searching for or to find word variations. As these examples indicate, the asterisk can be used at the beginning, inside of, or after a term. The question mark wildcard matches a single character. Like the asterisk, the question mark can be used at the beginning, inside, or after a term. Multiple question marks can be used as well. However, the more wildcard used, the longer the search may take to produce results. Additionally, the question mark can be used in combination with the asterisk. T asterisk would return all words beginning with the letter T. T question mark asterisk would return all words beginning with the letter T that are at least 3 letters. For example, the search WOM question mark N would return both woman and woman. The search question mark ANDY would return candy, dandy, sandy, handy, etc. The question mark can also represent numbers. A search for 60 question mark would return 600, 601, 602, 603, etc. As an example, one could look for a U.S. Social Security number by using the pattern shown. This could be used as an auto-redaction query or a QC search for PII. Using this wildcard search would successfully return Social Security numbers with the same pattern. However, it could also return unintended results such as the add to cart, which also fits the same pattern of 3 characters, 2 characters, 4 characters. Brackets can be used to define specific characters or character ranges. These can be letters or numbers. Where the question mark represents any character, bracketed 0 through 9 represents any character which is between 0 and 9. In other words, the character must be a number. If bracketed A through Z is used, then the character must be a letter. Where the query question mark represents 3 characters, by using a series of ranges, we can specify more precisely if those characters should be letters or numbers. In the example of searching for a Social Security number, the character range 0 through 9 could be used in place of the question mark, which would ensure the results only included numbers. The same query could also be written more efficiently using preceding elements, which are covered in a separate session. The sequence rule can be used when specific characters need to be searched. For example, bracketed ACM would only search for A, then C, then M. The range rule is used to search a range of letters or numbers. For example, bracketed A-C would search A, B, and C. The range must be in alphabetical or numerical order, so bracketed Z-A is not valid. Additionally, the negation rule can be used to define characters which should not be searched. Here are some additional examples of how to construct various queries using sequence, range, and negation rules. Often these search techniques become most useful when searching for characters that are not common words, such as bank accounts, contract numbers, serial numbers, employee IDs, and other combinations of letters and numbers in which the pattern is known. In this example, an investigator needs to search for specific contract numbers. It is known that all contract numbers have the same pattern of 2 letters followed by 2 numbers. However, the investigator knows that the only contracts of interest are ones in which the first letter is between A and F, and the preceding numbers are between 0 and 29. To search for only these contract numbers, the following query could be used. When possible, use the question mark over the wildcard. Using a range search over the question mark may yield more accurate results. Avoid using a search query such as *C*, as this will search through the entire data set. When looking for word variations, consider that in some cases, wildcards may return too many irrelevant results. For example, if looking for the word set as well as the word sets, set question mark would return sets but not sets, whereas set asterisk would return set and sets, but also set up, settle, set back, settler, setting, settlement, etc. In such a case, the query set or sets would be more efficient. A more efficient use of the wildcard would be similar to the contract asterisk example shown. For more information and examples on sequence, range, and negation rules, please see the ZyLab Search Guide.